Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a DIY hair care video after a very long time. It's a highly requested one since so many of you have been asking me to share a home treatment for dry and frizzy hair. So today I'm going to share a very simple home remedy that will not only make your hair silky and smooth but will also improve its strength and vitality with regular usage. So let's begin. आप मेरे इस वीडियो को हिंदी में मेरे हिंदी चैनल पर भी देख सकते हैं. उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है. ज़रूर चेक कीजिए. The very first ingredient that I would be using in this hair pack is rice. Yes, rice has been a beauty staple for Korean, Japanese and Chinese women for centuries. They have used rice to keep their hair shiny and skin youthful. And it is a secret which is slowly being revealed. I have earlier done a video on how to use rice water for super shiny hair. You can check that video out. The link is given in the description box below and also on the screen above. There are various varieties of rice available in the stores, but it is important to choose the best suitable variety here. The more organic and unprocessed rice you use, the better results you get. A few varieties are unpolished, unprocessed and organically grown. They don't have that shine and don't have that perfect shape only because they are not artificially processed. On the other hand, a majority of varieties are extremely processed and highly polished only to make them appear shiny and beautifully shaped. They lose their nutritional value and might not work well for beauty purposes as well. I always prefer rice which is totally unprocessed and organic. I'm going to soak a cup full of rice into some water overnight. The more it soaks, the better. I had already kept the same variety of rice soaked from the night before. Fermented rice water contains pitera, which is a natural byproduct of yeast fermentation. Pitera contains amino acids, minerals, vitamins and organic acids that decrease surface friction and increase elasticity, resulting in hair that stays stronger and healthier for long. The rice has been soaking for over 10 hours and now I'm going to grind it using my kitchen grinder. A regular kitchen grinder is useful in extracting rice milk properly. You may add the water in which the rice was soaked to loosen the paste, only to adjust the consistency as per your choice. The finer paste you prepare, the thicker rice milk you get. Now that the rice has been ground, I would use a regular sieve to press it and extract out the rice milk. Rice milk is extremely rich in minerals, antioxidants, vitamin B and E that also purify and smoothen the skin, working to minimize fine lines and decrease the appearance of pores. I will show you how to prepare a great natural exfoliator using this ground rice in the upcoming video. So keep looking out for that. The other natural and super nourishing ingredient that I'm going to use here is coconut cream. Coconut, as you already know, is super good for your hair. Its oil has been used for centuries to condition the hair. Coconut cream is high in vitamin E and fatty acids that make the hair frizz-free and shiny. Here, I'm using a store-bought tin of coconut cream. This is the cream that I use in cooking. You can even make your own coconut cream at home using fresh coconuts only. I previously did a video on how to prepare coconut milk at home from fresh coconuts. You can watch it. The link is given in the description box below. You can also use the Dabur coconut milk, which is easily available in most Indian grocery stores. It is not as thick as the tin one but will still do a decent job. By the way, I have linked all the products that I have used in this video in the description box below. You can decide on the quantity as per the length of your hair. Besides enhancing the shine, if you want to strengthen your hair from the roots, I recommend mixing a good helping of castor oil. Castor oil nourishes the hair follicles and boosts hair vitality. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Now see how crazy my hair look with all that frizz. I'm going to apply this pack section by section generously from roots to hair tips. Coconut milk and castor oil work great for smoothing the hair and doing away with all the frizz. It works perfectly for those with colored and chemically treated hair as well. Rice milk will repair the worn out hair strands. On the other hand, coconut milk will help you get rid of itchy scalp, dandruff, and frizz. I have covered all my hair from roots to lengths. Now, I'm going to leave this pack for at least 2 hours. You can wear a shower cap and continue with whatever work you do every day. Wash it with a mild shampoo and if required, use a conditioner. With regular usage, the hair will appear shinier and healthier. So, I hope you found this video useful. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more fun content. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.